Hi guys, in this video I will teach you about the uppercase and lowercase. So for the uppercase I have write a small formula like equal char bracket, write row and then bracket and write a 65 bracket close and again close and enter. Here we can see that write a. So this formula will go to up to z, so we can write down like x and last one z. So this is 8 up to z. And for the lower case, we have write a same formula but only change the number. So for this we can write equal char bracket and write row and then bracket, and here we can write number a97 and bracket close and again close and enter. Here we can see that they are lowercase a, so we can go to this up to z, so like this. So here we can see that a up to, and we can write here center. So this is very helpful for any documents. We can write alphabets like a up to m, a up to z, or any alphabet a up to s. So we can write these formula for lowercase and uppercase. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.